Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix an ASUS laptop touchpad not working using two simple methods. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the method 1, you just have to enable the touchpad using the keyboard shortcuts. So most of the ASUS laptops have a touchpad on and off key. So you need to look at the top of the row of your keyboard for a key with a touchpad icon. It is usually one of the F keys, like it will be F6 or F9 or F10 depending on the ASUS laptop model that you are using. So when you press the Fn plus that touchpad key once, you just have to wait for 2 seconds and then test the touchpad again. If it still doesn't work, you can press the same shortcut again because sometimes it toggles between enable and disabled. Also restart your laptop once after enabling it because Windows may not detect it immediately. In the method 2, you just have to re-enable and reinstall the touchpad driver. Now, if the shortcut didn't work, the touchpad driver may be disabled or corrupted. For that, you just have to simply right click on the start button. So after doing this, click on the option of device manager. Over here in the device manager, look for the option of mic and other pointing devices. Now here, look for the option of the ASUS touchpad or the ELAN touchpad or HID compliant touchpad. So whichever is available here, simply right click on that, then click on the option of update driver. Now if you see it disabled, you can just right click on it and you can basically enable the device. If it is enabled but still not working, you can just simply uninstall the device and restart your laptop. So when Windows boosts again, it will automatically reinstalls the touchpad driver, and most of the touchpad issues are going to get fixed with this particular method. Now, if you still don't see the touchpad options, you can simply open the settings of your device. In your settings, go to Bluetooth and devices. Over here, look for the option of touchpads. So here you just have to make sure that the touchpad option is turned on. So this is how you can fix an ASUS laptop touchpad not working error. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.